Oh man, such a long day of work. Oh no.
Ouch, yikes, what a very bad accident. If only there was something that could have helped prevent this. Something like an extra set of eyes. What if machine vision could come to the rescue? Introducing our pedestrian detection system, most importantly using machine vision algorithm to detect pedestrians in the way of this evening.
So the eyes of the system are actually the camera up top that's going to run the algorithm. We also have a few bells and whistles like a buzzer and an LED for audiovisual tools for the rider, as well as a depth sensor using single point LiDAR mounted on a servo to track the human and get the distance they are from the vehicle.
Wait, are you serious? This will actually track and detect pedestrians?
Yeah, it's crazy, and in real time too. And we'll talk about that up next in detail.
Wait, you're saying this could have prevented my accident?
Yeah, it could have. Come see.
Our project utilizes the HOG algorithm, also known as histogram of oriented gradients, which assigns a box to a detected person within the camera's view frame. As I move closer to the bike, it signaled the alarm system. It does this when somebody is within 3 meters or less. However, you may have noticed our box was lost around me. That's because the algorithm requires the full set features of the human body within the view frame, and it just so happens to cut off my body around the 3 meter mark. To summarize how the system works, once a person is detected, it places a box around them. We then utilize the center X value of that box and write it to a servo which has the LiDAR attached onto it. We then display the LiDAR's real-time outputted values onto the video out next to the box for visual confirmation. We found that it's quite accurate despite the loss in frame rate, which is understandable and unfortunate at the same time, but it's due to the Raspberry Pi we were using having limited processing power. We also included a person counter for multiple people detection. The LiDAR also works to try and record both persons' distance from the bike by having the servo alternate from the first and second person. As you can see, it has me labeled as a shorter distance compared to our friend Dustin. That is due to the algorithm confusing and labeling me as person number 1, when in reality it should be Dustin, as whoever is closest would be the person number 1 and the person of interest.
This is only one of multiple machine vision applications that can create a safer environment for pedestrians and riders alike. With a little bit more time and research, we could actually create a more robust system instead of it running on a standalone Raspberry Pi and give us many more solutions to this issue.
We hope you enjoyed our demonstration, which was an abridged part of our senior design project, primarily focusing on machine vision.